One day, Shigure woke up with a really high fever of 100.1, and his mommy, Azora, said, "Oh, baby, are you okay?" And he said, "No, mommy. I feel sick. I feel terrible. Oh, my poor little boy." Shigure. Oh, baby. Oh, my poor boy has a fever. Oh, my poor little boy. Don't worry, I'll get you something. What do you want? I want some soup. And make sure it has a lot of vegetables in it. Okay, baby. And then while his mommy was making the soup, all she could hear was him coughing and sneezing, and she felt bad for her little boy. And she said, "Don't worry, baby. Mommy will be right upstairs with a bowl of soup. But I want you to stay in bed, okay, Shigure?" "Okay, Mama." And then Shigure went back to bed, and he held his teddy bear close to him because it was his favorite teddy bear that his mommy gave to him when he was a baby. And then, a few hours later, Azora came upstairs with a bowl of soup and some medicine. And she said, "Here you go, Shigure, my famous chicken noodle soup, just the way you like it." "Thank you, Mommy." "You're welcome, baby boy." Mama?" "Yes, Shigure?" Shigure? What is it, sweetheart?" Can you give me my soup and this medicine?" "Of course I will, baby. You know, a mommy's job is always to make sure her little boy is healthy and that you feel better. It's my job to take care of you." "Okay, now here comes the first spoonful of soup. Yummy." "Sugary, what's wrong?" "Yeah, my throat. Oh, my baby boy." And then after a few spoonfuls of soup, the bowl was empty, and Sugary said, "Oh, that was really good." "Alright, sweetie, just let your soup digest in your tummy, and then I'm going to give you some medicine later." And then Shigure took a nice long nap, and it was around 7 o'clock when his mommy woke him up, and she said, "Wake up, baby." "What is it, Mommy?" he said in his scratchy voice. "It's time to take your medicine." "Okay." Blech, that was disgusting. Oh, here you go, sweetie, some water for you. And I also got you some juice. "Okay." "Wait, Mama." "Yeah? Can you stay here with me?" "Okay, of course I will, my sweet boy." And Azora stayed with her son all night long, and she held his hand, and she began to sing him a song. "Don't worry, my little boy, I'm here with you." And she sang the song while he fell asleep, holding her hand. And she said, "Don't worry, my little Shigure. You'll feel better soon, I promise." And then later that night, while she left her son to sleep, she prayed for her little boy, and she said, "Dear Lord, protect my little boy, and that he'll feel better soon. Amen." And then the next morning, his mother went to check on him, and she said, "Sweetie." "Yes, Mom." "Yes, Mommy." "How are you feeling, honey?" "I'm feeling so much better now." "Oh, that's wonderful, Shigure." "No more throat ache, and no more coughing or sneezing." "That's wonderful, my son. I'm so proud of you that you're feeling better." And that you're not sick anymore. Mommy, I love you, honey, so much. Because you're my little baby and I love you. Mommy, if you ever get sick, I will take care of you too. Aw, thank you, sweetheart. I love you. The end.